Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to thank all the new subscribers. The channel hit 500 subscribers the other day. Really appreciate it. Every milestone matters when you're a little channel like myself. Additionally, we're doing some drag racing this Friday. That means you guys can expect a drag racing video sometime in the next week or so. The current goal is to get a 770 or better. That would make the car an 11-second car. Well, let's get right into this video. In order to fit these, we need to relocate this. Let's get it started. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and if you want to support the channel, the best thing you can do is subscribe. On that note, we'll catch you on the next one.